Hello guys, welcome to Travel Lovers TV. Today we have come to Harley's Fine Baking. In this video we are going to see prices of each and every cake over here, what is the price of each box over here, as well as how to get 30% off. Here we can see these are the different flavors. This is Belgium chocolate, Ferrero Nutella, and there comes all cheesecakes, lotus biscoff, different types of honey cakes. It's not a single type of honey cake. Premium honey cakes, butterscotch flavor, the normal honey cake flavor, and here you can see they have newly introduced tres leches as well. I'll show that to you. So there are more different types of honey cakes as well. Here you can see on the screen. The whole honey cakes also you can buy for birthdays and other special occasions. The price of single piece of cake is around 255 to 270 rupees. The whole cake costs around 1200 and something. This is the average pricing. If you need a box of 6 different flavors of cakes, then it costs around 700 and something. So based on this, you'll get points as well into the Harley's account. Around box of 5 macarons costs 300 and something. Apart from this, you will have tres leches, as I have told, that costs 2 pieces 310 rupees. How can you miss with a cup of coffee? They brew a very nice coffee and cappuccinos right there. So this is the whole ambience and look over there. As the main point of video, how do we get the instant 30% discount? It's valid for few days from now. That is, it is available on Dine Out through Swiggy. If you're going to book through Swiggy Dine Out, if you have to pay for 1 rupee for 3 months of membership, and you can book your slots around 25 rupees per person, you can book your table in Harley's. That is for instant 30% discount. After you book your table around that slime slot, if you visit this place and make a bill, and you're going to pay that bill through Swiggy Dine Out, then you're going to get instant 30% off.